weather has turned into this really harsh icy rain. It is hurting my face. I can't see almost anything here. No, there's way too much water on the ice. And that just continues that way. Okay, I need to get back where I came from and go try from there. Whew. Okay, I'm safe now, but I need to go through those rocks. That is quite the wind. It just feels so nice to be away from that wind. Now all my clothes are getting wet because it's plus degrees inside here. I need to get the stove going and put my clothes to dry. Oh, it's filled with ice. Look.